So we are seeing now about packages in Java. What are packages? It is used to hold the classes together. So we have the different classes EBC, class PQR, which will be stored and collected inside the package directory, which is called as P1. Similarly, we can create a number of classes and held them together inside the package P2 directory. So it is like a directory which is used to hold the classes together. The advantage of packages is we can import the classes outside these packages. Suppose we are importing p1.star, so we can access the classes which are inside the p1 directory. We are importing the second packages, therefore we can access the classes which are inside the p2 directory. So that is the advantages. The classes which are inside that packages can be accessed outside the package. So this is the example we have seen, that we have created a directory p1. Inside the p1 directory, suppose now this is my p1 directory, we will go to the SYIT folder. So here we have created one p1 directory. Whatever the name of the package is there, we have to create the directory with the same name. So name of my package was p1, so I have created the directory as p1. So this is my class. Since it is created in the package p1 directory, we have to name the directory as package p1, the first line that will come in the program. Now this is the class 1. The access specifier is public, so it can be accessed outside the class, outside the package also. We have created one method show with the access specifier public. We have the message welcome inside this class. So this class can be accessed outside the packages by importing the packages. So that is the output we have seen. We will go to the command line prompt. Okay. So we'll have to go to the particular directory SYIT. We'll have to go to the directory p1. So inside the p1, first we'll compile the program which is called as 1.java. After compiling the program, we can access this class outside the packages. So we have created one more class inside the SYIT directory. So this was our SYIT directory. So this is suppose our second class 2. We are importing the packages p1, so we can access the class 1 here. So the advantage of package is we can access the classes which are inside the packages. So 1 is a class which is inside the package p1. Now this is the second class 2. We will create inside the SYIT folder. So we will go to SYIT. We will save the name of the class as 2.java. Okay. So after saving it, we are trying to compile this program and run the. So we'll come out of this p1 directory. Okay. We'll compile the second program 2.java. 2.java is importing the package p1. So it is able to access the class p1. So when you run the program, you see the output which are defined inside the package p1. Okay. Welcome is the message which is put inside the class 1, which is defined inside the package p1. So that is the advantage of packages.